personal growth. So first is my personal vision. So I want to become independent so I can fulfill my wishes which I want. And second is I want freedom. So in wishes like I want to become independent, to be I can earn money, I can spend money as per I want. I can in freedom I want first in wishes like I can eat anything which I want to eat. And I want in freedom anywhere I can travel where I want to travel, like in any place, any temple, any park, anywhere. If I want to travel there, if I want to go there, so I can go. So this is my personal vision. And what actions I am taking towards it. So for becoming independent, so I want to become a doctor. So I am doing a study for that. So for this I have to I have to complete class 10th and I have to complete class 10th exam. So I can this is the first step toward it. In this model, my target also to complete till class 10th class. So I can this is the first step to becoming a doctor. So first I have to complete class 10, then class 12th, and then NEET exam, and then MBBS all the time. So first for class 10th exam I have to do study.
No, why you are not sitting there? You were not sitting, you were here in the box.
I have to do study till class 10 with deep knowledge. So I can apply in my real life also, like as per the 5 framework. So I have to take deep knowledge of all the subjects which I am taking, 5 subjects. So this is action which I am taking towards it. I am doing a study for that. And what are my top 3 values? So I put it 4 values, not top 3, because I don't understand. So I just put it 4 values. So first is I do not bully anyone. Since I do not bully anyone, and I don't like to if somebody is bullying. Like sometimes if somebody is talking, like I don't like if somebody is bullying anyone also, and I don't bully anyone. And the second is kindness for a small child and old. So this is also my top 3 values. Kindness for the small children, and for old person, like if they want anything, means if they need anything, like if they want to drink some water or something, if they have any work, so I like to do that. If they cannot do, so I like to help them. And I do not steal. So I do not steal any means starting. I remember in first I was
only one time. One.
I still that was
1 rupee. Till 1 rupee.
1 rupees. And then जो उसको कहते हैं ना गलती का तुरंत फल मिला. So I was a very small child. I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 years old. When the small coin of 1 rupees was not वो जब बैन हुआ था, small जो छोटा सा 1 रुपये का in here, maybe Mumbai, not in here. So there I went there somewhere, and there is so many coins was on the ground. So I take the coins here, like I'm doing the stealing on that time. मुझे ऐसा मतलब लगा कि मैं चोरी कर रही हूँ. So I just take a 1 coin and go outside. When I saw it was 1 rupees of coin, and it was not working here. So and that was the first and last. And till now I'm not doing stealing, and I will not do. When somebody told me, I take 500 rupees from this pocket, I take 500. I was thinking how he can take, because if somebody told me to do just खाने पीने की चीजें, that is stealing in my house. से खा लेना. This is different, but stealing money somebody else, stealing anything which is somebody else, that is I cannot do. So this one in top 3 values. And fourth is I do not like if somebody talk about somebody caste, like some, like in my house, in many places I hear about वो this their
छोटी
caste
जात
is
का है।
हाँ छोटी जात का है बड़ी जात का है. That is not I like it because I cannot just think I
If
means
it's
I am
not-
looking their thinking. If that if like कोई ऊंची कास्ट का भी है, but if their thinking is not good, that is that person, that so my opinion that person is not good. ये मतलब कोई छोटी जात का भी है but his thinking is good, their thinking is good, so that person is also good. So I am just looking their thinking, how they are think, but when people talk about छोटी जात का, like उनके जूठा पानी मतलब we cannot give some in my house also people cannot in my house like when my house was जब घर बन रहा था, on that time when mistri came to my house for doing work and so for their drinking tea my brother bring a glass of plastic. So and when one day when I give him tea in a steel glass, my grandmother take out the glass from the utensils. So I was confused why they are saying so, why they are doing like this. So she said they वो छोटी जात के हैं. So I don't like that. Everyone I think just look their thinking, don't look their छोटी जात बड़ी जात. This one I don't do. And I am not doing this one कि वो छोटी जात का है वो बड़ी जात का है उसे नहीं बात करना.
Really?
I'm not doing. In my school also like somebody said he's Muslim है ये हिंदू है, मुस्लिम से बात हिंदू से बात करना मुस्लिम से नहीं. मैं तो बात करती हूँ because I don't like हिंदू मुस्लिम छोटी जात बड़ी जात करना. In top 3 I am best one. I don't steal, I don't shy, I don't bully anybody, and I don't feel shy to hesitate about my height color. In this model I don't feel shy and hesitate about my height, about my color. In anybody if they are saying this like when somebody just comment on my clothes,
I
you are
तो
wearing
छोटी
like
जाती.
छोटी हो बड़े क्या बोलूँ. They are saying that you are not wearing means they are comment on my clothes. So I just ignore them. I do not react anything. I do not say anything which they are saying. I just do.
मैं तो मैं I think here is my height color. My height color.
My height
And
and color. There is
मेरा
only
height color भी होने लगा. अभी height color भी होता है. Height का color भी होता है. और ये color डालते हैं. हमारे गाने के 2 मिनट पहले ही ट्रेन.
No, I
Yeah,
like
yeah.
here. I do not. Last presentation. So today my target is complete. मेरा तो शुरू हो गया इसलिए तो मैं निपटा रही हूँ. I feel very cold. I want to sleep, but I can't. I'm ready. Something like this. What are the top 3 rules I face difficulty to apply? So I write it here also for first G2.47 and second G6.35 मन को नियंत्रित करना है and G2.47 is कर्म निवारी कारस्ते and G6.35 is no वो G2.6 में G6.35 मन को नियंत्रित. जब मैं सेंटेंस आगे का मैं वर्ड भूल गई मुझे पनो बुद्धि अहंकार याद आ जाता है. then control on mind, control of mind, and the third is I do not waste my time, instead I utilize my time very carefully, and the fourth is G2.63 Krodha Bhavati Samoha. It is related with Krodha. Krodha Bhavati Samoha Samoha Samriti Vibhrama Smita Trimshat Buddhi Nasha Buddhi Nasha Prashati. Means if I'm doing the Krodha, if I'm angry, so my बुद्धि भी मेरा नाश हो जाएगा, ऐसा उसमें दिया है. So these four and
बुद्धि से नाश होने के बाद हम लोग का एक पतन हो जाता है.
स्मृति भ्रंशार होने के बाद हाँ इंसान अपनी स्थिति से गिर जाता है. So in these four rules I feel very differently. In G2.4 and it is work in progress. In G6.35 is also work in progress. Sometimes I control on my mind and sometimes not also. Like sometimes I don't want to. In this week I can give example. I don't want to solve portions of direct and inverse reflection, direct and inverse proportions. I don't want to solve exercise 11.2. But I think no, I have to solve, and I control my mind and I solve it in one लगातार में continuously. I solve the question and I completed the exercise. And I do not waste my time, so I waste my time many times when I realize when I am doing my 24-hour control. On that time I realize I am wasting my time. And G2.60 Krodha Bhavati Samoha. So sometimes I get angry, like in the morning also, like when I am going to do presentation and they are talking, there are so many noise. I said them maybe 2 or 3 times. If you want to talk, go outside, but they are not stopping. So on that time I was.
इतना झूठ
झूठ
बोल
नहीं, आप काटी भाई से पूछ सकते हैं. If you want, you can ask to Kati bhai. He was also there.
You do not ask to say that. You had only said one time.
I said to
You had already said one time.
But there is no need to say when you know she is doing a
मुझे तो एक बार
presentation.
में भी
She
नहीं
doesn't
कहना
even
था.
have to say. You need to
I said
know
2
yourself.
or 3 times maybe. If you are not listening, so she was, Kubra was saying something to Kartik Bhaiya. That's why I think you did not listen. But I said 3 times. But on that time I was angry. And maybe when you came, my facial reaction was also like I was angry. So this thing I faced.
Find it and then.
Listen. Now questions.
You question?
Tell me the Model 3 Patna Road.
Right?
I want to see one.
So you want to see the Tamania. Why you want to see?
I am seeing that.
Question. I think the main question that he's trying to come is there anything different of this presentation from last model to this model, or is it exactly same?
I
Is that
can
your
say
question?
portion vision is different. I can explain. If you want, I can show you also.
Then show me. Can you show me that Padma Road of
Vision is same.
Vision, did you
This-
see? You had seen the vision here?
No, vision is same.
Vision is same, I know.
I know. Only this one is different. This one is not. You can see this one is not.
Wait, wait a minute.
You see my hand, huh? Vision is same. I want to independent. I want to become independent so I can fulfill my wishes. I want, and here that there I want freedom. That is also.
Then you know to.
And the other slides are
Yeah,
same?
what action I am taking towards it. So this one is the same. This one is also the same. You can see. Because this model on October, my plan was to to do exam of class 10, but now it is I was not able to complete. So now in this October I will do exam. So
It's in October, not in September.
October में होता है.
नहीं 2 टाइम होता है. एक मार्च में और अक्टूबर में.
October.
October में.
अक्टूबर में.
You have already registered?
No, not now.
Okay.
So this one is.
इन तो जुलाई से तो कंप्लीट करना है सिलेबस.
June तक.
जून तक कोई मैं मॉडल खत्म होने को.
Yeah, so this is also same, and vision is different. You can see here is comparison.
Balance, you mean?
Yeah, well, values is different. For here, there is I do not bully, I do not steal, and do not comparison is not there. And two
Okay.
things I added.
So that means that comparison does.
Yeah, this one is different and this one I added. To kindness and for a small child and old, and I do not like if somebody talk about somebody caste.
Okay, okay, हो गया.
हो गया.
You can add the two from this.
Sometimes like here it is same. I do not here I add one thing, and here it is the same. I add this one.
Can you again repeat how you define freedom? How do you define freedom?
That-
Freedom, like if
I'm
I want to go somewhere, if I want to travel, like freedom. If I want to eat something, तो उसका भी मुझे I have first this can happen if I am independent.
Financially independent.
Financially independent. And freedom if I want to go somewhere, like if I cannot go Malanpur, I cannot go Rudrapur. So I want freedom, so I can travel as per I want. I can travel Rudrapur. I can.
And
travel.
as per your explanation, you will get freedom only after you become a doctor. Like
I
that?
think I think after that I think I can.
Okay.
After you become a doctor and you start earning from
Yeah,
your
if I
Yeah,
start,
I'm acting one more.
Wait, let
if I will start
Sorry.
earning, so then तो फिर वो मेरा खुद का पैसा होगा ना, तो फिर I can travel, and then I think I have to, and my parents can give me freedom.
Yeah. Yes. So if you will not become a doctor, and if you do any
If
other
I'm not saying if I'm become a doctor, if I'm earning, if I'm start earning, then I think I can, my parents can give me freedom.
yes, how much?
As per I know.
1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh. How much? And what are your
I
wishes?
did not
What are your
decide.
wishes?
Okay.
What you want
Wishes.
to fulfill?
what is this?
I said wishes. I already explained very well.
I want nothing. Can you repeat one more?
Yeah, I can repeat. My wishes like first I want to travel. I want to live in a room which where paint as per my जो उसके color means anything. I want to wishes like if I want to eat something, so I can eat. I have money, so I can buy. I can eat. I can travel. I can wear clothes as per I want.
हो जाओ समझ
Like this.
I need to exam from you.
Now you are doing?
Yes.
What are you doing?